Have you ever thought why someone who sneezes is told bless you? In fact, this is not just a saying specific to us. After sneezing, every language wishes the person who sneezed to live long. All of these point to a common belief. Of course, sneezing leads to the belief that our heart stops when we sneeze, or at least we have a health problem. It may be a symptom of some bacterial or viral diseases such as respiratory infections. But the flawed part is the belief that our heart stops when we sneeze. Even though you feel your heart skip a beat along with your whole body when you sneeze, your heart actually does not stop even for a moment and is not affected by your sneeze. This is just a feeling. We learned new information today, by the way. Send this video to someone you want to live long.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe for new information every day.